garden, and here's what we are working with. It does need a bit of weeding. I have started the weeding process. I'm not done as yet, but yep, this is what we're working with. So here's the before, like olive right there. And I also want to add some behind this bench right here. So that's what we have. So let's get the plants out the car. But yeah, look at the mums already. They're starting to look good. And I'm going to have some bigger mums for the porch area over there. But that's going to be later.
1 week later.
Alright, it's the same rainy day after work. And I'm trying to get the mums planted before I lose the little daylight I have. There's no sun, hasn't been out. For all week, the sun hasn't been out. So I'm trying to get the mums in the ground. I have yellow. It says bronze on it. I'm guessing that's a golden orange, I think. So we'll see once it blooms and see what color it actually is, and go from there. But we're doing an alternate. I was actually looking for red, but they didn't have any red garden mums. So we're stuck with this. So this one has a tag. It's called Fall Planting Garden Mums. Can you see it? I got these from Lowe's. So yellow. Let's see the bronze. And this one is the bronze. So as I say, it looks like an orangish reddish color. Oh, it says mom. It says red. Wait. Did I get red? I could have sworn I got bronze. Huh. Oh, I know what it is. It's the other one that are bronze. So I got red. Yay! So I got red and yellow. See, I purchased these a few days ago, so I forgot which ones I bought, and I got them from different stores. If you saw my previous video, you will know what I'm talking about when I did my vlogs for the garden center. It's pretty cloudy. Like I said, I just got off work, so just a quick de-stressing planting session. Yeah, gardening does definitely de-stress. So I'm gonna get these in, and we're gonna be out of daylight, so that means it's time to get dinner ready and enjoy the family. I believe it's enough for one day. This would be a perfect time to get all these weeds out, but the rain is coming down a bit harder, so I managed to get my mums in. And remember that one that I moved? Now it's kind of out of line. So tempted to go back and move it. I think I'm gonna move it back because it's gonna be bothering me. But you see how it's like right? Yeah, I need to move it back to the right a bit. That one right there. And it goes all the way down there, and I still need to come clean up over here. I haven't gotten to that yet. And if you saw my previous video, or it may be this one long video, but I still have those large mums I still need to come and do. And I need to power wash my concrete. All that water, yes, I need to come in and power wash it. So we still have quite a bit of garden cleanup to do, but I am liking it. Look, we have color in the garden again, guys. No more dried up things. From this angle, it looks pretty. Look at that. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. All right, so I've been out here for a while now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and head in and update on the coleus. Today is September 12th, and I think I planted this on September, I forgot, but I planted this okay, it was bothering me, so I moved it. So see, it's a little bit more straight, and then it curves this way. Now I'm looking like there's a gap right here. I'm not moving anymore, but I think I should move it up a little bit. Like these two, move them up. Bam. I'm not taking them out. They're gonna stay just like that. And it give it a staggering look anyway. So if you come from this way, see, if you look at it this way, not really a staggering look, but yeah. How did I see that the first time? It's like a lot larger gap than the other side. I'm going to leave it, guys. I'm not taking it out. But I did get some of the weeds out. See? Not that much green in here anymore. When it's wet, the weeds slide right out. So some of the grass, I was able to pull them out. So they're out. All right, I think that's enough for real this time. So I just got home from work, and I had a few minutes of free time since the sun is out and it's not raining today. So I'm like, let me go ahead and get my pumpkins in. And I normally put them down, and then I decide where I'm going to put them, then change them around, switch them around, and I just design as I go. So I'll see how it is. And last year my garden shape was different than it is now. So for some reason, I have a feeling that I don't have all my pumpkins, like I'm missing some. But it could be because the garden bed is a lot larger this year, so it actually does require more pumpkins. So who knows, I may get more pumpkins later on this year, or I may keep it the way it is. But I think I do need some pumpkins because I had them doubled or tripled up last year, and right now it's just singles we have. So most likely I'm going to get more pumpkins. So I normally just change the design and move them around, see how it fits, how it looks. But it's a given fall, guys. I know we're not in October yet, but we have pumpkins out. We got reds and yellows and pink. Fall is here. You can barely see the red chrysanthemums. Like all the red mums are blooming later. The yellow ones, look at that, already bloomed up. Isn't that strange? Like all the red ones bloom afterwards. The yellow full bloom. From even the big one to the small ones. So I'm not sure if my mums will be okay. So I'm going to bring them inside, because I'm not too sure how strong the winds are going to be, as well as the pumpkins. And so the pillows are already off the bench already, so I'm going to grab that and bring it inside as well. We don't have any wind as yet, just a little sprinkle of rain. But we might get some rain tonight. So let me go grab my stuff and bring them on in. Hi everyone, welcome back. Okay, so Hurricane Milton is on the way. We just had Hurricane Helene and we got a few little damages to the plants. I think I'll insert a few clips. Just a little damage. I had damage to the gardenia, the new annuals that I planted up alongside here. And you can see some right here actually. Like see? But I'm going to get all these pots that are right here and the bench, like everything that can be used, the pumpkins, as a flying missile with strong winds. And we're getting higher, I think we're getting probably category 1 force wind, so that will definitely require me to bring these inside. And I have some containers in the back I'm going to bring inside as well. So let's go ahead and grab all of those. I'm thinking I may put them in my garage. I think that will be fine for now. So let's get started. So I got the bench out, any flying debris, and I put these here because the container that it was in, it was full of water. So right now they're pretty much being drained, and these are just very, very saturated with water. So I'm gonna wait until a few hours. So later on this evening I'll come back out and bring them in the garage. I have this bench right here. I'll keep an eye on it. If I see it, it's pretty much in an alcove, so it should be fine from the winds. But if I see it being any concern, I'll bring it in. But normally I have it right here and it's fine based on my prior hurricanes that I've had. So it's normally fine. Oh, I just see a light thing right there. I need to go get that. So I'm going to get the lights that's in the garden. Those can be used as missiles as well. So any kind of flying debris I see, I'm going to pretty much bring them in. But look right here. My summerific French vanilla. She got a bloom coming in. I hope the hurricane doesn't rip her out the ground and we can see her in bloom. So here is my garden before the storm. We'll see if there's an after and if any damage happens. But in Florida we just normally prepare. A lot of times it feels pointless, so it's best to be ready and your efforts went for no reason than not be prepared and then you're like, oh, if only I had prepared. But yep, I'm being a good neighbor, y'all, because it might not hit my window, but there's a lot of houses and cars in the neighborhood, so somebody else can get hit by the flying missiles. I call them, they're flying projectiles, but I always say missiles. Look how good my gardenia looks, and I can tell you, when I come out tomorrow, she's not going to be standing upright, so kind of sad. Look at that. I got her staked since the last hurricane, and look how green she is. She was happy. Poor thing. That's my gardenia. Look at the mulched area. It's already got leaves and stuff in there. And that's another reason why I didn't finish mulching the bed, because of all the hurricanes coming. It's a lot of leaves are going to fall again because we got this huge tree right here.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.